Today we have yet another Bluetooth headset from SoundPEATS, and this model is the Q30. And let's get right into the unboxing. In front of the box we can see the headphone with the Q30 models on it, and it claims up to 8 hours of battery life. On the back we have the same information about the battery, and this one does support aptX. Also talks about the wingtips this headphones use. So inside of the box we'll have the quick start guide. It tells you to use a charger that has less than 1 amp of output. It also tells you how to pair the headsets. And here's a little thank you card. We have the headphones in the cutout. And underneath the cutout we have a leather-like pouch. And inside the pouch we have wingtips and ear tips in different sizes. It also includes a cable and some cable management kit. There's also a micro USB charging cable inside the pouch. At the bottom of the box we have a user manual. Surprisingly, it is unstamped, so you can take apart any pages you want. I've never seen that before. But the menu has different language for your convenience. Alright, then let's take a look at the headphone itself. So like many other SoundPEATS headphones, this one also has magnetic design, so you can snap them together when you're wearing them on your neck. And this one has the medium-sized ear tips already fitted on, along with the wingtips. The controller is next to your right earbuds. Up front we have the play and pause, or the power key, plus and minus for your volume and sound selections and so on. Between the minus button and the power button, we also have a microphone hole. On the side there is a micro USB charging port, and there's nothing on the back. Alright, let's get right into the in-depth review with my pros and cons of the Q30. And let's start with pros. The Q30 also used these soft wingtips just like the Q36. The fitting is very comfortable compared with the Q12, and they shouldn't hurt your ears after a long time of wearing. After I listened to Q30, I feel like the Q30 has the strongest bass response. They're deeper and punchier than the Q12 and the Q36. It also has the most clearest highs. The battery life of the Q30 is about 8 hours. They're certainly in the longer range in the market, and if you don't listen to headphones at higher volume all the time, you can even push the battery life a little longer than that. Like other SoundPEATS in-ear headphones, the Q30 also uses magnetic body design. They snap together easily when you're not using them, and you can just hang them on your neck if you're doing workouts or running. And there is one con that may be worth pointing out. I noticed right out of the box, the Q30 uses a regular cable instead of those flat noodle style cable. There's a chance the headphone will tangle together, but since the cable is so short, this shouldn't be an issue. Just want to let you know, even though it's a small detail, don't feel surprised when you open the box. And here comes the million-dollar questions. Out of 3 headphones made by SoundPEATS, the Q12, the Q30, and the Q36, which one should you pick? Well, in my opinion, I would pick the Q30 out of the 3, because for similar prices, you get the deepest bass and the clearest sound out of all 3 of them. All their performances are really outstanding, but I have to admit the Q30 sounds the best. On top of that, you get IPX6 sweatproof, plus it's rated Amazon's choice. You can click the link in the description if you want more information. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'll see you next time.